What is up, you guys? So on today's video, we're actually unboxing the Allure beauty box. This one here is supposed to be a February box, meaning today is, oh girl, looking for my phone. I'm recording with it. Today is February the 28th. And this is a February box. My BOXYCHARM came in like the first week of February. So this one is definitely delayed. And this is not my box, disclaimer. This is my sister's box. But she was like, you know what, you can make a video on it. Why not? And I was like, you know what, that's a good idea. So here I'm making a video on it. And me and my sister are actually conducting a giveaway. She does have a YouTube channel. Hers is more like fitness based. The woman lost 30 pounds and she's trying to get y'all to lose the 30 pounds too. She's trying to get me to lose the 30 pounds too, but I like to eat too much and I'm in school. I don't know what other excuse I can give you. Yeah, but I actually had lost like 10 pounds before, but then I got a boyfriend and then all we do is eat. Yeah, so this is the box. If you guys want to see what I got in it, you can go ahead and keep on watching. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a little Ulta haul of what I got at Ulta. And I went to TJ Maxx if you guys want to see that. It's kind of interesting and cool stuff. So yeah, keep on watching. This is the Allure beauty box. I know that people don't really talk about it, but apparently it's really good. I've never actually like seen what comes in it. I know she likes it and she like... So she's subscribed to it, you know, she's been subscribed to it for a while, but I personally have never like actually looked into it. I think it's $10, but I'll go ahead and put it down here. So this is what comes in the box. Let's see, what is this? Assuming it's like the Ipsy one. So this is what it comes with. So then it comes with this here. For some reason it is kind of dusty. It's probably been in the mail for a super long time, considering that it's the end of February and this is a February box, which is, I feel like, it's a bad thing personally. Okay, so here we go. The purse is cute. The bag. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is it comes with the face mask. I'm personally not gonna use it. I'm gonna leave that to her. So this is what it comes with. The next thing that it comes with is this brow gel. Instant brow tinted. It's like a fiber, microfibers and stuff. This looks like a brush. For some reason it looked like one of these nail things. I thought it was this. I was like, girl, what are they doing to us? But yeah, it comes with a brush. You know, I've been wanting to receive brushes. I was actually gonna buy some at BH Cosmetics because I buy all my brushes there. This is my little like brush set. I know they're like dirty and stuff. I actually do have to wash them. But majority of all of those, I bought them at BH Cosmetics and they're like $10 for a pack of like 12. But you just have to continue checking and stuff. The next thing it has is a volumized mascara. This is a mascara. It looks like a... And yeah, so you just you can just go to the website and they usually have sales very often, like all the time actually. I was actually gonna buy some yesterday, but you know, your girl had to pay a little rent today, so I actually didn't do it. But yeah, they're like $10 for like a pack of 15 or 10. That's really where I buy my my brushes from, and they work really well. They actually last a super long time. Like these, I bought them, I know it's like dirty, this is my like bronzer brush, but this one I bought it from like last year and it's still in good shape and it's like tight. This is, there you go, BH Cosmetics, where you can see it. None of them have broken on me. Like they have the facial brushes. See, these are nice. And these are all from the same package and it comes with a bag. So I don't know, I'm just trying to hook y'all up. You see, like this here is loose. They don't do that. They actually last and they've been there for a while now, so I don't know. I'm just letting you know the juice. Okay, let's continue with this. Okay, the next thing that it has is a Mama Made Petal Spa Oil to Foam. So this is what that is. I don't know. It smells good. Okay, this shit smells pretty good. It's an oil. What do you use it like in the shower? Dissolves makeup. It's a makeup remover. Ooh, I would like to use this for sure. And I think there's one more thing in there. Oh, there's two more things in here. Metallic Shadow Trio by Mykonos. Model coat. I don't know if... well, this is it. Let's see. This is the little eyeshadow trio. It's cute. It's small. You know, today I went to Ulta and I saw they had like little Becca highlighters. Like, I shit you not, they're this big. Like, this is small. They were small. They had like the champagne pop, like the big ones, the opal and all the ones that they have for this much. And I think it was like $22. Like, might as well just get the big one. It was literally this big. I was like, it was cute, but no ma'am. Yeah, so this is that. Okay. Okay, so it's cute, but it's tiny. I feel like Allure is more like of a... I feel like it's more like a sampling thing. I mean, like, you get a brush for full size, but the rest is pretty much like sample size, you know? So that was that. And then the last thing here we have is a Fierce and Fine graphic pen. So that's that. And, oh, okay. It's a felt tip eyeliner. Okay, I like this. I wonder how much. So Allure gives you like little codes that you can put if you do decide to purchase like the full size product. Yeah, I believe the things that we got are like sample size. At least I hope so, because this is itty bitty and it says it's $15. Like, and then the brush is $4.99. I think that's a good price for a brush. Like, that's not expensive, and this looks like it's a good brush. We have that. This one here, the petal spot oil, it smells really good. I like this. I would definitely use this. It says it's $21 and then it gives you a discount code for 30% off on your order. So that I like that. Maybe this is a real size, like compared to the Benefit, you know, they're similar sizing. I don't know. If you guys know if Allure is sample size, let me know. I don't hate the box. It's $10. This is the Allure box unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe below. Leave any comments, let me know. I think they're sample size. I don't know if you think they're sample size. Let me know. This definitely is not a sample size. I understand that. But yeah, I mean, it comes with a bag. It comes with 5 things for $10. That's pretty good. So I don't think that's bad. At least not like little Ipsy over there trying to play everybody, trying to scam everybody, giving them. I've seen that. I would not purchase Ipsy. That's embarrassing. Like, really, you can just go to the counter at Sephora and ask for a sample for free, then buy Ipsy. That's like, girl, don't play us, man, please. To TJ Maxx and Ulta today, and I got some things. I didn't really get anything because what I'm trying to do is, I feel like I don't buy myself things too much. Like, I do, but not as often as I should. I feel like I should buy myself something that I want every week. I get paid every week personally, so I feel like I should buy myself something small or whatever I want like every week. And I feel like it will kind of make it worth it instead of just having to like spend it on bills and bills. Like, even something small that's like $5 or a concealer that's $6 or something like that. I feel like it's worth it, you know, to do that for myself, because I mean, if I'm working, I'm waking up to go to work and go to school, girl, I better give myself something. I'm not playing no games. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I got at Ulta first. The first thing that I got that I've been really wanting to buy is this Beauty Bakery lipstick. That's why you see all these swatches. When I go to Ulta, it's a shame. Like, I should not even go in there. So I got this one here from Beauty Bakery. This one is in color Salted Caramel Mocha. And the reason that I wanted to get that is because they have like this ad that shows that this here, look how cute this is. It's like, it comes in here. Okay, so they have this ad that, like, according to them, these lipsticks don't come off. They're like non-budge. It says smudge free liquid matte liquid lipstick, lip whips, Beauty Bakery. And I loved this color. I was gonna get it online, but I was like, I didn't even know that they were at Ulta. The only reason that I didn't get it is because this little lipstick over here, girl, little lipstick over here is $20 freaking. But I really like the whole brand scheme. Like, I like how it's like Beauty Bakery, like a bakery and stuff. I love cake. Like, if you know me, my boyfriend knows, like, I love cake. Like, I don't know. If you know me, you know I like cake. Like, that's why I have these cheeks and I can't get rid of them, you know, because that glucose gets in my body and doesn't want to go and it gets stored. So here we go. That's where these cheeks come from, okay? So anyway, this Beauty Bakery here is super cute. I love it. Like, look at that. It has like the whipped cream or the icing thing. You know how whenever the cake stirs, or what are they called? Not baristas. What am I thinking? Bakers. Idiot. I'm an idiot. The bakers, they have the little icing and they have to, like, I'll post the video so you know what I'm talking about. That. Okay. It looks like that. Okay. And I really liked it. I can't smell anything. I wish it smelled like something. It doesn't, but it's cute. Like, I kind of want to do like a word test, maybe make a video about it, you know. I don't know. So that was what I bought from Beauty Bakery, and this is like, I don't know if I said it in salted caramel mocha. And let me show you. I mean, the swatches are here, but let me do it again. Oh, look at that. That's cute. That's really cute. Like, I like it. And they were sold out too. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. They were this was actually the last one left, and also it comes sealed like with tape, so I know nobody used it, so it doesn't have any contamination on it. Y'all better be careful with them swatches and stuff that other girls are doing on their lips. I don't every time I buy something like a lip product, I always make sure that it hasn't been used, because no ma'am. Okay, the next thing that I bought, that I used to buy this all the freaking time. I'm actually wanting to make a video on the best affordable brow products, is this ColourPop Brow Boss. This one is in dark brown. I used to be just chocolate, now I'm dark brown because my hair is going back to its natural color. So this is that. I love this one. I love it a lot. I really do. Like that. It's like perfect. Like, I don't know, I like it a lot. I've purchased, this is probably like my 5th or 6th one. Okay, so that's what I got from Ulta. And then I happened to pass by to TJ Maxx, and then I got another one of these. This is the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. This is what I actually used to do my makeup today. See, this one's the one I have. And so yeah, I bought this one here for $2 at TJ Maxx. So I got the sponge, and then I got the brushes, which I want to open. And these are for your base, because I want like more contour brushes. I kind of want to get more into contouring and doing all of that, because you know the little sugars are not letting me have no jawline. So hold on. Okay, so these are the brushes. $6. That's a freaking steal. They're just so smooth. I love it. I love these brushes, and they're super affordable, and you can get them like at the drugstore. So yeah, that's going into my collection here. So thank you guys for watching again. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So yeah, you can also follow me on my Instagram. My name is Natalie_Orellana with 2 A's at the end. I will be linking that below. And also, we are doing a giveaway. If you want to know the rules, make sure you watch the last video to see what you're getting into the giveaway for. But I'm gonna place the rules under here if you guys want to look at it and stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.